Hey guys, all right, finally guys, got this EGR valve clean. Definitely not the hardest job, but it's very tedious, guys. As you can see, it has to be really clean. Yeah, it's obviously not perfect, guys. Can't get it all, but look at that, guys. That bad boy is clean. No more gap right there in the center. See it? Nice and seated. Nice and seated, guys. This thing is working out really good, guys. Look at that, very clean. That's all the crud that came out of it. Actually more than that, but most of it spread around everywhere. As you can see, it's everywhere. Yeah, look at the water, guys. Black. That's that purple power. Does the job. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Remember, guys, I could have easily just bought a new EGR valve, threw it in, made my money, walked away, guys. But I'm trying to save this customer a little bit of money. He's a good customer. He's a landscaper here locally. So just trying to get it done for him, guys. I'm going to go ahead and install this back in. Just make sure that it works out really well. And that's it, guys. See what, see if the black smoke goes away.